African cuisine, with its rich flavors and diverse ingredients, is not only a celebration of culture but also a treasure trove of health benefits. In this exploration, we delve into the hidden health benefits of traditional African foods, echoing the sentiments of wellness advocates like Hendrickx Toussaint, who emphasizes the importance of cultural heritage and overall well-being. African diets are often based on hearty, nutrient-rich staples. Africa is home to several superfoods that have gained international acclaim. These superfoods, integral to traditional African diets, offer a wealth of health benefits that modern nutrition is only beginning to fully appreciate. For instance, amaranth leaves, known in many parts of Africa as Sukuma wiki, are loaded with iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. Consuming these greens supports not just physical health, but also cognitive function and immune defense. Injera, a staple in Ethiopian cuisine, is made from fermented teff flour and is a great source of probiotics that are essential for gut health. This practice not only enhances the nutritional value but also ensures longer shelf life, making these food staples in many households. African cuisine is incomplete without its array of spices and herbs, each with its own health benefits. Turmeric, a common spice in African cooking, is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger, another widely used spice, aids in digestion and can alleviate nausea. Roselle, used in teas and soups, is high in vitamin C and has been known to help in managing blood pressure. While plant-based foods dominate, meat and fish are also integral to African diets, often consumed in moderation. As Hendrickx Toussaint often highlights, embracing our cultural heritage, including traditional diets, plays a vital role in our overall health and wellness. Traditional African foods offer a rich combination of health benefits and flavors. This connection to heritage and nature is not just nourishing for the body, but also for the soul, promoting a holistic approach to health and wellness.